with Jeff Chen. Again, he had 17.6 rebounds and 4 assists. So Jeff, congratulations on this big win. So matanong ko lang, aside from the points na ibinibigay ng napakaganda mong shooting, sa tingin mo, saan siya pinaka naging helpful dito sa game na to?
Well, siguro yung outside shooting, no? So, kasi yung play namin yan, inside-outside, no? So, I think nag-work naman, pero yung defense namin, medyo hindi ako happy, eh. Kung ganyan for me, kung ganito yung nilalaro namin, baka hindi kami lagpas for the next round. So, kailangan talaga namin mag-practice hard and mag-focus lahat ng players.
Ano sa tingin mo yung factor kung bakit naging ganyan yung outcome ng defense nyo? Hello!
Ano yan?
Ano sa tingin mo yung factor bakit naging ganyan yung outcome ng depensa ninyo?
I don't know, baka siguro nag-relax because siguro baka tingin nila sa Blackwater, madali kalaban. Pero for now, sa ngayon, lahat ng teams nag-i-improve and sana lang yung mindset namin for the next game talagang kailangan championship level.
Lastly, how are you dealing with the fact na kailangan yung dumaan sa butas ng karayom instead of going straight to the semis?
Medyo mahirap nga, no? Ikaw na nga nagsabi, butas ng karayom, and I hope na matulungan kami ni Lord and lahat kami maglaro ng ibigay lahat, ibigay yung puso, kasi pag wala na, bakasyon na. For me, ayoko magbakasyon.
Thank you very much, Jeff. Good luck, and once again, congratulations.